Hello, students. So, today I am going to tell you a story about the Brahmin and Cobra. ये स्टोरी बहुत ही अच्छी है और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी है। जैसे जैसे मैं स्टोरी पढ़ूंगी आपको मेरे साथ वो स्टोरी रिपीट करनी होगी। रिपीट करने से आपकी रीडिंग स्किल अच्छी होगी और आप नए नए वर्ड्स को भी सीखोगे। स्टोरी की पूरी हिंदी उसके जस्ट नीचे दी गई है, तो उसको आप बाद में पढ़ लेना। तो चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं अपनी स्टोरी। कौन सी स्टोरी है हमारी? द ब्राह्मण एंड द कोबरा। Once a Brahmin named Baridatta lived in a small village. He owned a small piece of land and tried to cultivate it. But nothing grew there. On a hot summer day, the tired Brahman sat on the ground, unable to work anymore. Then he noticed a snake pit in which there was a big cobra. The Brahman thought that the cobra was the goddess of the land. Because she was not worshipped properly, thought the Brahman, she was angry and did not allow anything to grow on the land. He brought a bowl of milk, placed it before the cobra, and said, O ruler of the land, I did not know that you were living here, so I did not make any offerings to you. Please excuse me and accept this bowl of milk. The next day he found a gold coin in the bowl. He took it home. After that, he brought a bowl of milk every day and took back a gold coin. One day, the Brahman had to go to another village on some business. So he asked his son to go to the snake pit and offer milk. The son went to the snake pit and found a gold coin in the bowl. He thought that there must be plenty of gold coins in the snake pit. He wanted to take them all at once instead of going there every day. So, taking a stick, he struck the cobra. But the cobra cleverly escaped. In a fit of anger, the cobra bit the boy and he died. Baridatta went to the snake pit the day after his son's cremations. He took a bowl of milk as usual to the cobra. The cobra said to him, Though you have lost your son, you have come here to offer me milk. The reason is pure greed. Your son was young and foolish and tried to kill me, so I had to kill him. You are worse than your son. For the last time, I am giving you this diamond cut. Don't come back again. The Brahman suffered a double loss, his son and his daily gift. He went away sadly. तो प्यारे बच्चों, मुझे लगता है कि आपको स्टोरी बहुत पसंद आई होगी। अगर आपको ये स्टोरी पसंद आई है तो इसको जितने बार आप सुनोगे नए नए वर्ड्स को बोलने की कोशिश करना और नए नए वर्ड्स को सीखना। सो एन्जॉय ऑफ समर वेकेशंस। हैव अ नाइस डे। बाय बाय।